Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn a Word document into a Google Docs over on your mobile device. And this will work over on your iPhone and Android, so don't worry about that. All you need is obviously the Word app and the Google Docs app, and they are completely good to go. So literally all you need to do is open your Word app just like this, and obviously you need to start creating somewhat of a Word document in order to actually share it. So for example, I have this Word document called test, just like that. Once you have your Word document ready to share it to your Google Docs, all you need to do is open it just like this, and then you want to click on those three dots, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on send a copy. And then you will get to this page right here over on your iPhone. If you're using an Android, it will look a little bit different, but it's basically the same. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way to the left till you find more right here. And you are going to search for Google Docs. We can see right here it says Docs right here. We can now see it says save to Google Drive, and you want to just click on save to Google Drive just like this. And we can literally right now see that it's loading that Google Docs we just shared, and we literally can right now see that this Word document that we just shared from Word is now in Google Docs, and I can literally just click on it and then it's now in Google Docs. So that's how you can turn a Word document into a Google Docs over on your mobile device. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.